Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey. If you're new, today's video is going to be just a really kind of quick one. I forgotten I kind of did this the other day. So I've dirtied up some of my brushes because I did a lash lift video. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it up here for you. And realised I can't do my eye makeup because I have to keep my lashes dry for 24 hours now. But I wanted to show you this. I don't know if you'll be able to read it. It's ISO clean. So if you have makeup brushes, if you do makeup professionally, this is going to be your best friend. Before we go on, obviously I would love if you would give this video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it, and subscribe to the channel, share this video if you think that somebody might find it helpful, and let's get into it. I don't know if I have it somewhere. I think it's like in my makeup kit. I used to use Cinema Secret's brush cleaner all the time, like religiously. It is hands down like the best quick brush cleaner, you know, like the alcohol based, dip it in and swirl it around and it's clean. The best. Loved it. But it's not cheap. It's kind of expensive, and I'm totally squint. That's better. And I came to buy it again, and I can remember that I needed to get more of my sanitizer for my palettes, because there's a really good product that you can spray on like eyeshadow palettes. So you would just kind of open it up like that and spray all of these, and it sanitizes the surface. So I needed that, and I couldn't remember what it was called because I didn't have the bottle on me. So I was searching for makeup cleaners or makeup remove. I think it was makeup cleaners I was searching for, and this came up. Or it might have been when I went back onto Facebook afterwards, this popped up. Like I say, it's ISO Clean. It's a 60-second makeup brush cleaner, and it's essentially Cinema Secrets, but a different brand. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's the same kind of idea, different brand. So this actually contains aloe vera and like conditioning stuff so that it doesn't dry out your brushes. And you get like this little pan with it. You get like a little tin with the Cinema Secrets one, but you just need this little sort of, it's like a little petri dish almost. So I ordered it because it was cheaper and because I got such a good deal on it. I actually got two of these. One of them is in my kit and I kept one for myself. This bottle is 500 milliliters and the other one's a spray bottle. I find the spray is easier for at work because I clean my brushes so much more regularly at work. I only need to kind of spritz it and do it, whereas let's be real, my brushes at home are a mess and I need to dip them in. Like I said, when I got it, I was awfully excited and I cleaned most of my brushes. You can probably see here most of them. Some of them are stained, but most of them are pretty clean. So I have some dirty ones, and we'll take out a couple more that I've maybe missed. I figured I just wanted to kind of share my thoughts and my review of this product. So I'm gonna get like a little cotton round. Normally I do this on a face cloth, but I don't actually have one. So I'm gonna get a little cotton round. You can see that it's clean. Two brushes here, and I just squirt out this stuff. It's clear as well, it's not blue. So little kind of amount in there. I'm gonna dip the brush in and swoosh it around the cotton pad. And it's clean. This isn't revolutionary. This is done. This has been done before. It's not like it's a brand new type of product or anything like that. It's just that it's cheaper. I'm pretty sure it's cheaper. I really hope that now that I've said that, it's definitely cheaper and I didn't just get a good deal on it. Nice and clean. But it's, like I say, it's the same exact thing. It's the same idea, but it's, oh, more dirty brushes to clean. It's great for if you're a working makeup artist and you need to either quickly sanitize or quickly get rid of a colour off your brush because it's like the only one you have to use that. I would do it, I would leave this for a few minutes, because if you smell it, you can still smell it. You don't want to be putting that on someone's eye. You want it to be completely dry and you want that kind of smell to dissipate. You don't want to be putting alcohol on people's eyes. But like I say, if you need a quick switch, you can do it with this. I will link down below where I got this. It's not affiliate, anything like that. It is just, like I say, I came across it just by happenstance. This is the Acid Rain base from P. Louise in collaboration with Mitchell all over this brush. So I'm literally gonna douse it in there. I give it, because it's a cream product, I do give it a little bit of a jiggle. And then just, because the type of brush it is, I'm just sort of like swiping it side to side rather than round in circles. And dry it off a little bit. Nice and clean. So it's great for getting cream products out as well. This one I used for my cream bronzer. Like I say, it's nothing groundbreaking. It's just really, really good. Nice clean brush. I need to do that one. And this one has blusher on it. I'm just going to use this to sort of mop up the last little bit. I like to kind of like add as I go. I don't like to put too much out and then have a wasted product. I like to kind of mop up the last little bits at the end. So there we go. Nice clean. I don't know if you can see the white tips on that. It's still a bit wet. It needs to dry. So yeah, that's it all clean. And we have some really dirty cotton rounds. You've maybe heard of it, but it's just a really good, I'm not being paid to say this, they don't even know who I am, they didn't send this to me, I bought this with my own money. I was just really happy to come across something that was such a really nice value for money. But this is the other bottle here. So 2 bottles. I'll put on the screen how much it was altogether. They do a really good deal where you get 2 big bottles, or there's one and a littler bottle, I think, with the little thing. There's lots of different ones. You can go onto their website and have a wee look if you want. But these 2, so the bundle, both of these were $18.50. So for both of these, that's a litre of this IsoClean stuff for $18.50. $18.50. You can buy from them if you are not professional, but if you are professional, I'm pretty sure you get a bit of a discount. Okay, it's popped up for me here. You can actually buy this on Beauty Bay as well. So if you're on Beauty Bay, it's $24.50 for one of these on Beauty Bay. That seems quite pricey compared to what I paid. So let's go onto their website. Oh no, that's Beauty Bay. IsoClean. So if you go onto their website, I'll just go onto their public website. $24.50. Yeah, so it's $24.50 for one of these. You can get a little one, 150ml, for £12. But like I say, get yourself on if you are a professional makeup artist, if you're a makeup artist on Instagram and you have qualifications. You can actually send in, you know, if you've done a makeup course, sometimes these people will take that as well. As long as you have a certificate that says that you're qualified, then send that over to them and you can get it for the cheaper price. But $18.50 for both of these. If you can get them on the professional website, you're getting a flipping steal. I got it and I like it and I think that it works really well, so I thought that I would share it with you guys. So if you find this video interesting, helpful, whatever, I would obviously love it if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It really does help. Ring the little bell so you're notified of my uploads, and I will see you guys next time.